Hey friends, welcome back to Finance Decoded. Today we're going inside your brain to figure out why saving money feels so hard, even when you know it's the right thing to do. Picture this. You set up an automatic transfer to savings. $200 every month. You feel like a finance genius. And then, 11 days later, a flash sale shows up. Suddenly there are things you need. And just like that, the savings plan is gone. This happens to almost everyone, and it's not because you're bad with money. It's because your brain is literally wired against saving. There's a name for this, it's called present bias. Your brain values a reward right now way more than the same reward later, even if later is objectively better for you. Now, that might just sound like, I want stuff now. And sure, that's part of being human. But scientists actually studied this in a famous experiment called the marshmallow test. Kids were offered one marshmallow immediately, or two marshmallows if they waited 15 minutes. A lot of them just ate the one marshmallow. And here's the thing, adults do the exact same thing with money. Except the marshmallow is a new phone, a vacation, or a pair of shoes you didn't really need. It gets even more interesting. When you imagine spending money right now, a totally different part of your brain lights up compared to when you imagine saving for later. The now part feels real and emotional. The later part feels abstract, almost like it's happening to a stranger. In fact, researchers found that when people think about their future self, their brain activity looks similar to when they think about a completely different person. Future you doesn't feel like you. So it becomes easy to make choices that hurt future you, because your brain doesn't fully register that future you is you, and companies absolutely know this about your brain. That's why, buy now, pay later, exists. That's why sales create urgency. They're not fighting your logic, they're fighting your present bias. And present bias almost always wins, unless you have a system in place. So does that mean you're doomed to never save money? Not at all. The trick isn't fighting the bias with willpower, it's outsmarting it with systems. Here are 3 that actually work. First, automate everything before you can feel the money. If savings leave your account the same day you get paid, present you never even gets the chance to spend it. But automation alone isn't enough, pair it with friction on spending. Delete saved card details from shopping apps. Add a 24-hour rule before any non-essential purchase. Basically, make spending slightly harder than saving, so the lazy option becomes the good option. Second, make future you feel real. Some people write a letter to their future self. Others look at an aged photo of themselves. It sounds strange, but it actually closes that stranger gap in your brain, so decisions about the future start to feel more personal. And third, give yourself small, immediate rewards for saving. Your brain craves something now, so use that. Celebrate hitting a savings milestone the same day it happens, don't wait for some distant, far-off goal. At the end of the day, the goal isn't more willpower. It's designing your life so you don't need willpower in the first place. Systems beat discipline, every single time, and that's why your brain hates saving money. But now you know exactly how to outsmart it. If this helped you understand your own money habits a little better, hit subscribe. We're breaking down one money psychology topic every single video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, see you soon. Thank you.